So you actually clicked the video. Hi. So the idea of this video was to see how people interact with thumbnails. Please click this video. Will it please work? If you have clicked this video, then yes, it has worked. So in your thumbnails, give it a go. Try saying please and see what happens. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Sachthemotive, aka Sachthemotive. You can call me Sach, and this is my YouTube channel. So welcome. It's an entertainment, motivation based YouTube channel. So the video title is Click. So let's hear some clicks. I would appreciate if you like, share, subscribe, comment below, and thank you very much for watching. Over and out.